In this movie, Felicie, a young, impoverished orphan, aspires to pursue her ambition of becoming a ballerina. However, since the orphanage does not have a dance school, Felicie and her awkward companion Victor manage to escape. When they do reach gorgeous Paris, what adventures are in store for them? First, let's talk about the animation. This movie had amazing graphics that made me want to visit Paris someday. The music comes next, and it was excellent as well, inspiring me to dance. Felicie was my favorite character because of her tenacity, vivacious nature, and never-say-die attitude. Regine Loewe was my least favorite character because she was conceited and haughty,